about Alex Banso, something special, and they had to folk unveiling.
Oh yeah, I say registration of players in the account to me Sunday,
yes.
I say you do
education. Something special about Alex Banso. Stay tuned. Had to folk messing.
Right.
Rich. Me patrol. Edi kan je asuma minister kan no. Je me the paper bi aba.
Kotoko Express ana.
2002.
Yeah.
Oh, the Bobo players be the kakra Bobo players be the.
Me who Ablode wa ha.
Oh, name our boy. Also, Edin by Godwin Ablode, champion.
Me who Daniel Aqua.
Daniel Aqua, Pastiwata. Josam.
Michael Osemba.
Nana
Ahindia.
Obuani Panono. Hey, where am I so?
Players who are there anymore. Abubakar Kankani. Oh no, or that the man as go. Okay, Kankani. Yeah.
Not other go pa mo. At least what name?
It's where Kotoko Goldfields.
Yes, 2002. Nami Israel. Yeah, keep it records pa nti se be betenani e kasani ane de enye se bia ye dede. De ye ka bia ye nim. Your whole records wo ho e betimi a refill. Mesai Kotoko Express enim no. Mema wo hye ade bi e wo honom. Rich me patron say sha ade ba ko ha minister say no kan nti o. About the NT a ehun behia se e wo say etimi keep stars. Me patron Kotoko na obo Africa. Na hye gate fee ana oje. Hye side say gate fee 2002 muntie ni ye 2002 oni sonango anomo
popular stand 15,000 sana mimi hu ha
o de entity scan 15 cedis
okay
but anke
15 cedis right
Titi scan 15 cedis 2002 24 years ago entimbacho de be next come we say anke 1,005 meboa
anke something like 20,000
more, which is 20 cities then.
Outer wings one here 50,000, and VIP annex no, a year 100,000, and the main VIP, and so a year 250,000 Ghana cedis. Sabre Nusika.
Rich. That was 2002. 24 years a year. One Kotoko get fee anoji.
2002.
24 years. As to stadium ye mama nipa etnet samre no and electric pole ni nyina no. Electric pole no. E be so nipa ba ku no. Na manfo teso, omo teso. Miniam bacho na aka say dey ntia. Names be na aboboy no. Me de pepa ne ma no ubo names be. Anya stars di na aboy. So about stars. Stars na minister kan wan asem no. Anya no di na mamu abo sisi stars di no abo. A club at that time Isaac Buachi Magic, national team player. Okay, so I go no say against Zimbabwe. Oh no, they have scored. Commentator. I say Kranana India. Ekra Michael say Ember Power. She names are now over. Godwin and Blood the champion.
Eric ko share good bu abrankesi. Sabre Nhyira kwabna kesi ya wanya na baby koyi. Papa nyame mfa ne kra ense
oh.
Yewi o cheniska. Na Kotoko ne Kesben e wa
brankese
Eric Queen shegu ye peja abo no man say odi na chi ne hwe Kesben epo do
pai o
odi bo no to no busu say 10 ya pa 1
akomko na refi Kotoko
ye rekọ na kesi sorry ano cheniska
Kotoko ne Dolphins e kon fa so shares ago no
quality striker
yeah fradia bra entino naturally ni pani be ko stadium okay Kotoko ne work before a bebo game adia ba be chikrama yabo no na edom o fama kom side on na ba bia aboma na ade chi no by area 12 na TB3 I announcement say mo obi an ha ne hu nsi baba yara na ehwa ye madada so okay rich imagine so first ne kra na ye nya say ya chiche mu e bia nipa be 35,000 be timi akọ stadium no onim say first ni timi nya nipa 100,000 mo ko baba yara ye be pon no momome no obi ade ne de omo ko abu akwa enam kwan so omo mfro ka o omo nante fom e di ball ne hu nkomo edi Kotoko hu nkomo omo mbefa KTI akwa kopie mo Astown enso de omo momome e ko di nkomo
minister said that na sanko for no many options now omo options TikTok the Premier League Yewo other side okwa. Canadian no cost stadium onyane and ebi kro onyane times 2.
Rich at the end the minister can enter minister the stars account. Also kind of the stars never be share conversation. Say or appreciate the fact say baby a we ask na ba bedru ni embo na bedru no. And so ye bema stars abamu no. Ye nyani pa ma omko stadium. Na say no can e ho ne kokosi. Which all right. Rich and so ye be share say artist had na say conversation no. Ye try say ye maintain ye key players, ye quality players, ye top players. Now say beefy up the squads with another quality, no, bra. Because first no rich say Obi Baba be born even as good at Ninja Coco Cheke as good. They had this number 10. Not of free Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana, and Cote d'Ivoire. 1996. Yeah, about AFCON. No. Okay, number 10 Ibrahim Akoni. That's good. I can't fanaba. Obaba be say enti one quality na abano. Ufa goalkeeper ya ni bombi waki. Ghana ni Togo okay. Sa goalkeeper we na 30 years no ni bombi waki. No ose. Go force Jesse. Enti dia ya kan bro. Eba be si se omo kra na efra bontene be league no. Also me nkofo bi o me so special. Ni maintain quality. Babra, who this sound common quality na. E baba be si ade ba akoso. E baba be si sikasem. Meboa. Rich, sikasem ni so ye ka hwan mu na ede ba. Any supporters yi. Because bro me be try ade bi. Hwe 1 million Ghana cedis at each club enya no. E fe na fam wo bo na wo modern. By Rich, nyame adom. Look how no ye dey tuamu bienim. Rich met me catch as a matter of fact. Say 1 million Ghana cedis no but all the dollars mo say. Enya $100,000. Rich, ma min kan tell say Ghana ha club will be averagely omo so omo yo omo niam yi omo person omo compete no. Ghana ha no. On the average, obi a spend $400,000. Be pa cho be get to na onjintum. Met me ma break down be betima say. $400,000 and on the average new club one and near brace or person or Bob Brown Ghana Hanum. Kotokoni has written catch us almost spend around $700,000 a season. Now, this is the breakdown. Me yen ki 12 your home pa. Ubenyam for you know. Rich, ye be season as I saw by signings. Patch on me wa. Signings are be no. Financial signings nko and cost be $50,000 per. Because me no name say yet me quote player back yet me quote is $50,000, $100,000. Now say I to folk echo use upon fidelity. Or come me for that. So it is come boy. Almost say almost just 60 billion for one player. And many I no name. Say young players now at least almost certain level no. Almost buono. I was true. E two dia no say averagely say kotokwane ascribe or say we jai signing on future. Me boa. Say we jai or the friend pro rata or say egu nipa ne salary so. But Rich, even with that, for clubs no more yes are signing on no. Rich obafa no na say Ediana Stars of our players no form no otimi fa be 2 billion 3 billion. Say o form players o mo sign o mo amemi di nkomo kakra Ediana Stars nko signing so ye no. O wie no one spend the crown Ediana e ko be $100,000. Pen komo kakra midi no ne signings nko a onim dia Samuel Buadu J are signing on fee. Rich Samuel Buadu signing on fee or J 1 billion. Patcho 1 billion no the bad dollars mo say ya no $10,000. Buadu in a month ewo Ediana e be 300 million. 300 million no patcho in dollars say
ana unkan in cities in these cities.
Debio, say uti
300 million OCDs and 30,000.
30,000.
Yeah.
And the 30,000 no, you can see ana onso asan epia the court dollars him say be a conversation no na pese amount for etiase. Me see scan efe no edema ye no. I just say each club enya $100,000. So each club enya $100,000 ah. Rich, okay say oh fa coaches kra na ye de omo ba no. Coaches aketua menua omo je. O de no to nchen. O fa players signings are omo ye. Rich, you're the friend pre-season. Brown Batch me boy na need you more. Pre-season.
But can people
yes, pre-season no. Code 3 weeks pe. 3 weeks no. Say offer players on. 40 and 30 yɛmfa technical team ni other members ni ma meka ho rate odi omo ka ho na a day hotel amabekwa akoda no a day no per head no obi edi aduane even 150 cedis by simple calculation for nipa 40 no a day near 6,000 cedis a day a 6,000 cedis 6,000 cedis no which is around $3,000-4,000 pacho meboa and $5,000 simple for 6,000 cedis a day and we a day rich makan hotel no bekwa akoda no fani se nipa 2 and a da one room omu kwa camp 3 weeks enti hotel no omu koda ne kwa no 300 cedis a day calculated by 3 weeks pacho minim say am I making sense bro
me too
calculated by 3 weeks rich enti even omu be wie sa niam no car omu de koi fuel omu beto other maintenance cost ye can so anye refiser class no your auxiliary workers wo see your staff be a yem for mu di kra emamu omu twa grass so we rich one shekra na on season na sena nkasa no next 1 million Ghana cedis no AF na bo na omoden which untimi blame no say sika ni mpomunia na asa wo ho pacho meboa good enti rich the yan can say ocean year pa their clubs no they are still suffering a wom FN they were so ho asene but $100,000 no or the man clubs na eye nanso ntimi mbo season endru ba bia kotokone askra dia no me mobile da no me to me bu your calculation and many ade ani nie say rate unim say oh bobo ho na beko ba bi to say imagine say bia has air kotamali kotoko air kotamali and obi kotamali say has air kotamali by has policy no at least or say occur a day before the game say sanity so kodu ho beda hotel sanya flight no dey kono the bus kra na ekwa hotel na has beda no okotamali hotels are very expensive so do I call that enti check it say has every 3 days because so that one are there no bobo na obobo ni we want me inside mo just assign that to the following day kotoko sa clubs do na sa enti bro say o share FNFM the enti na na make say as a cat na ni agye abroso maintenance waya ade o but yendru baby a o sika no yintimi mfam ball green drew baby na menka sa asudie ne do no nkwan so say so no na boa e ma sa clubs ni sika asem ni tumpon asem na Mr Minister kan no asudie da ban ni nso bi me nua da nti na make sa bro enti rich ofu say state no ayo ne say companies a mo ba oman no mo pese mo ba be ya adwuma no ye pese aboa mo se de anim se na mo ye no minim sa sadia first ubie company etimi ma 10 years and a company bi ba so ya we ya ma 10 years tax free say be ya betimi employ nipa me patro re sadia na omo ye no aban na ye with the purpose say ye betimi matemamufu anya adwuma ye football ne nso employment dey create na meboa tie dey nti na any state ne nso en lobby omwa look
they said they South Africa companies no you review o tax way no say na be ya betimi e dey sa sika na aboa class ni
bi sa bra na nkie nya ne sa enti e bia nka Guinness bia Guinness na Guinness e dey baba be shape e bia Guinness be $5 million or the beba because pressure bia ni so rich na nka bia mining company bi ono so the be $5 million bro imagine sanka yeso e legacy pa na nka asma ye kan anka efe no sika ba be $20 million $20 million no bra me pacho 18 teams rank obi abenya say $1 million ne kakra we chire rich enti emergency and clubs ni nya $1 million ya season asia amun keep your players obi betimi the $30,000 $50,000 abano ababa before mu players ensi ye league ni so be very competitive because anya see any quality ne dia ye wo na mum problem ni se ye ni sika ye de be keep your mu u blame clubs na edu ba bi nso enye ye unya fair to them na raise our conversation ya ye di minua unim ya umpanyimfo mi no so mo na lead this conversation we no mom ani bre woni ema bi hu teacher be TV writer hwe kotokone has ordini hu unim sa over 2002 a wahu pato shade shade we na ka kire me kotoko na ne sponsor ye say ebo anim ho brand the sponsor na kotoko kra no
Space phone, right?
Space phone. Yeah. What you are saying?
That is 900 million
more. It's kind of 900 million. And Tiana can.
Sans can I'm from one kaka because as my confused.
Why confused?
Me with that convert your band na I kaka. It is some more mutation is mo betumi a convert the mind and sika mu a anka betumi abo empa because I know that time. That is a Betmensa time. Betmensa time. 900 million. 900 million cedis deal and space phone edema air sante kotoko
bro
and abe MTN
yes that time na I can me catch roll and yes say bosremuko tina me can na me the record snatch that time na Ghana na you need sponsor for a league kotoko as a club ekra 900 million from space phone but na Ghana na you need sponsor for our league ade hintia because the brand Asante Kotoko is huge. Heart of Folk is huge. And that was the period I reached. Nakotoko, Ebo Africa, Ebo Niye. Obolik, Ebo Niye. And to all sky space for the man, Sam Reno, 900 million cities.
You see,
yes.
Sometimes, Jude, I am confused,
bro.
There be a man for society, Herbert Mensa as an example. Yes, Herbert did so well.
Yes.
Omakotoko ya kono. But even Herbert no krana yekano. Herbert wanje Africa wanje living.
Herbert Angelic wanje Africa.
But still na man for Stadium.
Yes.
Now the Kotoko ayedi hunkomo yi ebia Africa na meka sa eludi omo. But league ni dia
Kotokoje.
Alpha players. Yen hu kra hu fe game Bella. Na nsenya branche oko ayi you can say. Libya this boy
lefty
this striker taponi as friend of Black 30. Oh, I've forgotten the name. I'm like yenya kwampoku. I mean yenya quality players on my best the Kotoko jersey. But still I'm from Stadium. So my question is even a Betmensa time now they be men can say you did champ one. Papa no time one league. Africa no one GB. Bana Stadium yama. Ene Kotoko Timiji League no. Players papa na at least ebia enye bebrede but there are players I think can ultimate chi air supporters do omo Stadium. Sonny Yakuba Munina abebe mu a. It had the say am for Jimmy Stadium.
I mean sure a good question will be.
I think that we should do a scientific research. Who reason dia ade na dia ba.
Scientific research na ani
e. Na say ye bi. Me kai I feel
GPL.
Yeah, kwabonti bi se amamfo a and me I feel say minister asem na all kan eno ni ade ba ko ese hwani ye first no na amamfo ni options bebree but ne nipa no options bebree
why are there ba rate unim me pacho eno wo ho ba rate still wutie quality na kan wa se me amenhwe adwensi ade so obo so ni akubadi e tro Dr. Kwame Cheitain Dr. Kwame Chi. Ne time no. Time na Kotoko. Efa Abdul Fattah Safiu. Yeah, na oba be body ama techiman DBB. Kotoko efa quality. Kwame Kontemo. Kotoko fa Ajimambedumo no. Spiritus Azamo. Check sa time no. Sa time na man force ase so omo Stadium. No na Kotoko. Record bi ba Ghana ha. Kotoko against Cotton Sport Garua. Near record is ha ni bida. Now you over 6.something billion. So Bekaya, a man force I say Stadium unim. See sustaining Sadia na with the quality I never on board. And the Kotoko performance are not all done dino. That time na no be said DSTV or Yashela Lega Yawada Lexa Yeshe. But sa period nimpo yin and say dear obo so sa period no. See it me sustaining adiana na ye ne kakra. Mini rich and can make catch as a matter of fact say by now supporters near Pesomuko Stadium no and come back because that time no magazine for no more sasieba and Dr. Kwame Cheya de bi na ye that time mini adren mo beka ya no mo call magazine no mo kodi nkomo enti omuko adwen timi ko asori ye papa Ebenezer mo nsori ni nyina no enso ni na no mo call no mo kasa
And so I'm for mistake.
No, I'm for but
because Jude, yet you come at a point Kotokwaji League, TNO, Kotokwaji League, no. Which supporters say, oh, Nancy, Timmy Yandi, because League in Gramuti. Kotoko won the league. Time I didn't trophy, man, you big gate fee still stadium, empty stadium. Rich, it means there's something wrong. Rich, that be Uti. It's not no kind. Every supporters, no, there be a few say, and your quality. Team Yandi, resort, no. A Kosovo Park and you know, it goes beyond that. Rick, David, still a quality. It doesn't go beyond that. I did bet me. Yenya Kotoko, a Brazilian player. Now, maybe, Yenya Kotoko or the Brazil player. A well, Kuma. Since and then I can say, Kotoko Sunday, the Moroccan goalkeeper. No, Rich. The first how the Brazilian player ba Kuba be say league num and as all the menu buy all the vini no ball no boy apart from Chile no be Chile tie enya no na ma for ba stadium asem na me kan hu se me fa Kotoko Express no quality na America no man ka ba ku menu pe o pitch ni so nyina na quality Dr. Kwame Cheitai na ye ka no pitch ni so no wo hwe ba bia na quality tina satisfaction ba anu na ma for decide so be ko stadium Etienne Kofa ba kumienu na wi amen konkofa under 17 for bi mejire expect say obenya de open no the American man can de ba ko ho asem catalog of factors anyhow we'll be able to communicate to our supporters because Dr. Diano Refi among for Sansia ba stadium time na Kotoko run sorry eno omudi nkomo Echo magazine eno omudi nkomo tro omo say Asante Kotoko say na Echo no omo Sansia until you better side no. See anebe and reach him. The internet make us a Kotoko as a lady can. And every man become a 2 minutes. Oh, me 20 minutes in your answer. No time. Fee say me 5 on camera. So I say. You also turn 5. Also, fee me say at bra. Me for 1 minute in yana. Me for 6 minutes in now baby for quick. Rich 5. Those are the 6. I come with you. Now we do me ma tie. O me ma 1 hour grow me. You are not. Sha Ghana how say revolution the other 5 amana man come some jam o betem tu ano o mini amo ano so asa me one ti me ka ho amenya o so do ya ga 5 and the next and me to the next 11:30 there so we na me call Kingsman 30 seconds on asem we Rich yet krom hanom Herbert Mensah eba o see efi sa ye bot lega efie no 50-50 no mempere Kotoko we have the numbers enti ye no be bolik no near chase can pay we sisi e na say a winner takes all and I say home takes all Herbert na this revolution ne buy anya adwuma ye twamu secondly na ne amponsa breso na ne ayade me bonaba so o say efe adenti ne bom matches under floodlighter mu see ye club no ye na o say fan woka won organize and I see mbo games under floodlight I don't know say fan woka yentua sai sika no omuti ase atwa mu so okai about time Kotoko has barely the conversation and say look say TV right money ba mu mpo we are the big boys and here matches na man for shemo and no I will say a greater tank of sika no modemaye omun se sa de na se me de hu patu be ba retunim sha na me ka Alex Banso ohu me here no 1 minute pe na me de unveiling the ni nyina aka Alex Banso eno hu goal akra de say super fantastic goal. Boy, you brutal. Miss Roy, the new Messi. Tetement here, Messi no. How's the player Ben? You best start this season. See, I know to Katin and Grano up in Boaji. Kasala, India, man, me grandma came. Who kai? Bra. And I say who say need you obo. Bro, obo ni ye. Shut me back. Nancy Hassan Kofasani Mohammed. Yanka wasem. Abos Messi. I'm pass obo no. Shut me throw. Sa cry we won. Say ha say man ani akọ ne ho a efrade wa talent papa metro obo both legs ne left can na ho de ne left na metro ade bi boy ne bo 7 obo 8 obo number 10 and osai boy 11 any has do omunyama ne wa for super player na oni ma de akra no agene see ball mu agene on this side she eno se go bi o classic go bi na akra boy ne fa so se go na efe oni o kere se ball run no Keresen any other ball no ojia obema orgasm
the can't caress no why the orgasm I saw. Obama, your bounty, Obama
pressure.
Alex Bounce, there be me man pressure about who cried you. You might get in here. You can't be about Sunny Mohammed or your word. Richard, boy, wrong. And no goal or say, some million 50 years ago, and can any better keke. Sure, your man a pass, no play beyond Quebecers or control bon and so. Go no say high end to me. A year in our crown. Baby or the angle of the ball. And you bet me, I Monday, you be. Bro, has to watch out for this boy. The new Messi. Obama and football, no more yet there. Now, me and meeting Kotoko, we better see a democracy brutal. Boy in Bobo. Metro Crowway in the last season, so I can't pam. Asante region under 19, U19. Boy, when a best player, no. Okay. Boy, way, or you can Boy, way, Alex Banso. The new Messi.
Alex Banso.
The new Messi for hard to focus. Ne dribbling or super or pace. But the weakness in the say, man for born to slow man. Now, Rich, maybe man who say no. How to Mary say me and move. Okay. How to folk who I am one. Rich, what for player like John Enchi? Oko Egypt, the first foreigner. Onya the most goals for a brandy at a point. It's 100 goals for Egyptian league. Okay, a lot of records. Was a national team Jessica. A brandy when a Buama dreams FC Africa no. Rich, what for such a huge talent? Ne level was such a ubia. Bra, unveilina, ye unveiling manina corona chiaman fuaba. I am a moka, yasem, everybody unveiling kana ye impanya kono. She, wouldn't the Osan Kahas eh? Tell me Joseph Iso, Dreams FC fan no. Dreams FC fan no. Joseph Iso, and yan level ni Jonenchi on Benny baby. But in the dreams here, I said the boka more than $5,000. Or Coco beat a beat her. And no more drone. A shrine or ya didn't money I can so kai from very London want for player like John Enchia. Won't validity say normal player be on no Subabese has Jesse. Ye unveiling money in your corner, ne humu memra.
Okay. That's why. Jude, o time no aso. Yen to aso emfa emamo Isaac Asie bi wo so da mo so bebre.